Resort. I'm gonna need to view my villa. So I'm gonna need to villa. Do on a king size bed. At the care to complimentary main is it a pull out bed? Congo? Yeah. Gonna volleyball. And this is an open shower.
Okay.
This is actually a good villa. But if you're on a wheelchair or if you have mobility problems,
Okay.
if you have mobility problems, it'll be a good villa for you. But there's steps on here as well. Just 2 steps. But getting off the boat and coming up to the main reception area, it will be difficult for you. But if you have, if you still can walk up the stairs, once you get to the villas, it'll be all right. But you will be stuck just hanging around in the villas. This is a family villa, isn't it?
Yeah.
Family villa. Yeah, we're on our way now to go and have our breakfast on a Sunday morning. We thank God for his love and for his protection and for giving us the breath of life so that we can wake up this beautiful Sunday morning and go and have our breakfast. And this will be our, is it our last day? Yes, we check out tomorrow. Yeah, check out tomorrow. Hopefully we can find a church today. But if there's no church here, then we can just have our devotion at home. I mean, not at home, never in our room. Yeah. So yes, beautiful morning here at Tokoriki Sheraton Resort. Is it resort? Ikut talita ka ng katalaw? Nabi matat?
Yeah.
Totokan din na nabi kiel mga bira. O ira na to kimingial. Ira taka chiki. So era travel mai. Sora chikoi Tabua Island, Tabua, sora chikoi Anua Island, Anua Koro, Tabua Koro. Na Koro in Mamanuda Islands, if I'm correct. This is the pool. This is lovely view out to the sea. And now we're on our way. Yandra Vinaka. So this is where we're going to have our breakfast. Orina kan vango? Ha? Oro? Oi. Na lounge na rongo ngo kendra ni menda ambitunga kila. Na lounge ngo na unonga ni ngunu. Okay, anybody can come here. Oh, okay. Go on a deck area from the main reception, and this is another restaurant. Another restaurant go? Sala bar. Oh, we're going to Sala bar. And this is the front deck of Tokoriki. And my daughter, she wants to go and have a breakfast now. I'm gonna wait to is a malaka katakatwina kanandraki. Simberni dila mena singe santa bakala chukana katakata. So what is the date? Another date niko, my gosh. Listen, in the chukike baka we don't know what day it is. Ndame relaxer nga. Oi, gonna salabai sanandongo. Na wait to restaurant, yeah. Wait to restaurant Fijian dish nga, English dishes, yeah. But okay, maybe I think 1 or 2 of French or Italian dishes. Yeah. Oh, and ngona vanondo kelmikina na wanga. Yeah, kelmika na wanga. Ochinga sanga ibonda talme banando na wanga lele ngo kona lele sarango do transfer mikina bana wanga lebu. Menangay dala ko dak me bana kamba ngona kamba utukona chiko. That is not it's not wheelchair friendly, but if you can manage to come up these stairs, you should be good once you're up here. You're gonna kamba like me. So once you get off the boat, there will be like people welcoming, staff welcoming you on here. And then you come up the stairs, and then you go and book in with the staff at the reception. Prendelok. Kata min nendorumbua. Nendorumbua. Oh, ngo nendorumbua. Dorba tik. Yeah.
Okay, ndarok.
Ini ndarok chungango. Ndarok ngo nakatalau. Boleh vinaka. Oh, sin kelas rada me kitu kanyani kwa. Volta kichungo na kani PFG. So here we are. Oh, yeah, book to the I'm gonna breakfast. Yeah. So we've got steamed savory rice, sauteed cabbage. Oh, lovely. Sauteed cabbage. Stir-fried vegetable. Sauteed mushroom. Wow, nice. Mushroom. And this restaurant, they are very vegan, vegetarian, friendly as well. So this is baked beans, and there's some porridge here, honey roasted almond and cinnamon, and then there's different kinds of sauces that you can use, and there's some bacon there. Lamb sausages for those of you who love sausages. Andra. And this is the salad bar. Ah, sebenarnya ni book nender tevil. Iksa book tak ka? Ya, ndar la kwa ba kike. Yo, baka ba na kiam? Ngona nadam to da kike.
Not toast.
Oh, na toast, ya. I'm gonna mandrai. Navnoy koran ni mandrai kin. Oh, there's more bunny lolo today. Yandra, Yandra vinaka. There's more bunny lolo. Huh? Then not coconut buns and cassava fries. This is some cassava fries. Oh, I'm gonna dalo tabteke. So hi. You okay? How are you? Good. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah, you're going tomorrow?
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow. Yeah, I know.
And you're 13.
At least it was kind of cooler last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't have to use the aircon, it was too cold.
Oh, yeah. We're going to the sandbar. Have you ever done that?
Oh, where is that?
It's like a really kind of place where they Instagram, where the water, it's like a tiny
So
island.
you're going on a boat?
Yeah,
Just
today.
for a day trip?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no. I think you
before you
only,
go.
yeah. Are you only going to drink there? Is it like a alcohol bar?
No. It's like you go and you snorkel.
Oh.
And you see the, like, turtles and everything.
Oh, wow, that's lovely. I'd like to go, but I don't know how to swim, so I'd be safer if I go with my husband.
Yeah.
Like my kids, they do know how to swim, but I don't.
Oh, right.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I think
Yeah,
it'll
those
be-
tiny boats. Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Anyway, nice to see you. And this is some milk. So they have full cream and skim milk. I think they've got soy milk, yeah, in the thing. There's some cereal here. Hi. Cereal, Weetabix, and apple, Oh my gosh, there's some guava. Guava and the fruits here are really sweet. Different from the ones in England. Yeah, coney and dry, and there's some pastries. Pastries. Oh, lovely. Look at the vegetable. Yeah. Tingunda ba? Okay. Got a coffee machine. Long black. They have decaf tea. No, they don't have decaf tea here. They only have decaf coffee. So if you drink decaf tea, you have to bring in your own decaf tea. Yan, going on other toppings. If you want to have waffle and pancake station, and there you go. Right. Thank you very much. Parang ko mikerole ngunuti sabi ngun. So yeah, that is na nakatalaw na matagani ko na Tokoriki Sheraton Resort. Inakvale na sa mamay.